to our entire country of the Philippines. No, we are very much delighted to welcome you here in our beloved province of Agusan del Sur. We are hosting this Palarong Pambansa 2026 with much anticipation and preparation. So we do hope that you will enjoy not only our opening ceremonies, which is going to be tomorrow, but all other events here po, and we have truly prepared for this.
Best ko pa, assessment as of this moment. Assessment lang po as of this moment. Wala bang mga untoward incident?
As of this moment po, other than that vehicular accident that has happened a few days ago, wala naman po. So far, positive din po yung feedback ng ating mga delegates when they were welcomed by our sa ating mga billeting quarters. So as of now po, continuous ang monitoring natin. In fact, we have assigned our board members. Meron po silang designated areas of responsibility sa mga billeting quarters natin. May hotline din po kami, helpline, anytime po, whatever untoward incidents or kung ano po mga major na mga reklamo po sa mga billeting quarters natin, mga principals po natin, SDS natin from DepEd and our side sa Bigas po, we are all in alert status.
Ang mga nangyari ngayon na Vice Gov, nangyari ba pasin o ayon sa mga nakaplano?
Yes. So far, so good po. Everything is going as planned. And lahat po ito intentional po from our welcome night of our delegates last night. Lahat po yun pinanal po together with our LGUs, our very supportive mayors. Sila po yun. No? Kami lang po yung humingi sa kanila ng request to do that, and wala pong pagdadalawang isip ang ating mga mayors because they're also very happy to accept our delegates. And then second po is yung opening ceremonies natin tomorrow at lahat po ng activities today. Actually, puno po kami today. We will be holding a Catholic Mass po for the entire, kasi kung lead po sa kaalaman ng nararami, sinabayan po namin ng Novena Mass for almost, if I'm not mistaken, for a month, exactly a month. Nag-Novena Mass po ang buong provincial government ng Agusan del Sur and even our across other religions din po. Intended, no, yung intention po namin is for a safe and successful Palarong Pambansa po. And eto na po yung week na to. So far po, everything is going as planned.
Okay po, balikan po natin po. Ano pong nangyari doon sa yung mga nakumpiska po natin ng mga persons who are gambling po ang last po ng mga nakalaran natin sa nagpunan?
Actually, as of now, intel pa po yung natanggap namin. It's more on Sigov na po yung kung ano po yung decision nila doon. But that was really a warning. Hindi po kami basta lang nagpa-implement po ng mga rules and regulations natin, lalo na sa security. Mahigpit po kami. In fact, sa kanina po, no, we were warning you because we do have intel. May mga intel agents po kami. So anytime po no na may report po sila sa amin, we can really act on it. Second din po, regarding the child protection policy, if you've noticed, very active po ang aming PPIO and all other, may mga naka-assign po kaming committees dyan. We are constantly monitoring social media platforms. That is exactly why nag-implement po kami ng accreditation sa mga vloggers po natin because we will not allow po fake news at saka yung mga yung mga heckling online, especially sa ating mga learner athletes because they're all minors po. Part po yun ng child protection policy. Yes, our message po sa mga learner athletes natin, coaches, trainers, chaperones, lahat po ang bisita namin. We do hope that you feel safe while you enjoy your stay here in Agusan del Sur. At we do hope also na naibigay po namin hanggang sa makakaya namin yung comfort po ng inyong pagdating dito at ang pagtanggap namin sa inyo. Again, we are very much happy to have you here. At sana po'y babalik-balik pa po kayo sa aming magandang probinsya.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.